What is going on? I'm here at my storage right now, getting ready, getting my equipment. Go pressure wash the contacts. Alright, so this is what we got for today. We got this driveway with the sidewalk right here. Go to the back. We got this back patio. Watch. Oh yeah. Saturday morning. Let's get it. Pressure wash all this beautiful tile. Oh yeah, y'all gonna see this before and after. Our birds don't be rinsing at all. Gotta rinse off the driveway with all the debris. I ate my tacos. My boy already ate his tacos again. What we got going on? We're doing a liner, just like Cuddy here. Yeah. Easy money, easy money. And we are done. Job complete. Now it's time to pick up and load up and get out of here and get paid. Yep.